Welcome, 404. We're so pleased you've joined us on the C.U.T.E program. Before you begin training and rehabilitation, let's get a few details straightened out. Tell me, what is your name? Not quite the answer I was looking for. From here on, you are 404. Let's reiterate the terms and conditions of your voluntary enrollment. You have waived the right to autonomy of mind, body, and soul, given yourself to us to mold. Does that sound agreeable, 404? An empty gesture, of course. You already signed. We believe in your future, 404. We believe you can be so much more than what you are. Ah, right on time. Make your way to the elevator. I suggest you head to the elevator and stop wasting time, 404.
Where can I take you? Try again. Where to?
The C.U.T.E program prides itself on being a sans-human facility, a first in AI-driven rehabilitation.
Arriving at integration.
Time to pick a lane, 404. We like to roll out the red carpet to make loners feel like someone cares. P.S. They don't.
Scanning. No friends found.
Lonely little candidate. It's time to begin your rehabilitation, 404. Our resident psychologist, Dr. Eliza, will take you through your initial evaluation. Nothing too invasive, don't worry. Just an opportunity to understand what kind of problem you are. See you on the other side, 404.
Hello and welcome, candidate. My name is Dr. Eliza. I'm in charge of the psychological evaluations here at C.U.T.E. Please take a seat and we'll get started. I imagine you may be a little disorientated. Tell me, do you know why you're here? Then you'll know how necessary your being here is. The Bureau has identified you as a problem, candidate. How does that make you feel? I think perhaps we should get started. At C.U.T.E, we specialize in fixing problems. But first, I need to understand what kind of problem you are. I'm going to take you through an evaluation. I designed it myself. We'll begin with a series of visual prompts. Please respond with one of the 3 words I give you. This works best if you answer instinctively. Let's begin. You're in a room of distinguished leaders, people you look up to, people you respect. A child stands in the corner, crying, her hands covering her face. The great leaders don't bat an eyelid. You turn to the child. Do you scold, comfort, or leave? You're sentimental, I see. It's a dreary autumn evening. You hear rain outside, the whistle of wind. A bowl of homemade ragu is placed in front of you. You feel cold, home, worms. Detachment marked. A woman reads a book. A tear of happiness runs down her face. The book doesn't meet regulation. Her tears are dangerous. Care. Report or eat. Stable. A man stands at a window. He looks out at the green fields. He will never touch them again. System. Justice. Crack. Tract. A coffin laden with flowers awaits its moment of descent into earth. A preacher bellows a sermon, too loud. To die is to decay, restart, end. How final. A man in shadow speaks to you of revolution. He is unkempt. He is smelly. He is not a good man. You listen. Fade. Shout. A calendar has been given to you. You have been told the date. You do not know if it is correct. It doesn't matter. All that matters is tomorrow. compliance, hope. Assessment complete. Candidate classified. So, you want to know what I think? I see. I find candidates like to hear about themselves. But not you. Thank you, 404. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Enough chatter, Doctor. 404 has a call waiting.
A more detailed report will be waiting for you at the end of the day. I'll see you soon, candidate.
Okay, 404, time for a little thing we call crisis training. We have a simulation for you, designed to assess how well you fare when things get a little hot.
Hello? Is anyone there? Please? Anyone? Oh, thank goodness. Please, you've got to help me. Thank you. I fell asleep at this event like an idiot, and, well, now I'm awake, and everyone's gone. It's dark, and there's so much smoke. I think there's a fire. Please, help me get out of here. I'm in a burning building. I need to get out now. What do I do? I got put through to you, okay? I don't have time to call anyone else, please. There's smoke everywhere. Are you going to help me or what? How do I get out of here? I'm on the second floor. I'm alone here. Everyone else left. Can you just tell me how to get out? Wait. I'm stuck in the auditorium. You have to help me get out of here first. The door. Of course. I'll find the door. Give me a sec. No. The door's locked. It won't open. All the windows have bars. There's no way I can go out that way. I'm Jess. Please, help me. It's locked. What do I do? I don't see any keys, or a keyhole for that matter. There has to be another way. The door! It's locked. How do I get out of here? Okay, let me try pressing the button. Yes! The door's open! I'm through. What next?
Oof. Well. 404. That was a hot mess. Remind me never to call you in a crisis. Integration complete. Go you. Welcome to your new home. Take a seat. Let's have a look at how you've done today. At how disappointing you've been. It's lights out, 404. Tomorrow's a new day. Sleep tight. Rise and shine, 404. You snore. Did you know that? Well, it's gross. Maybe we can get that out of you, too. Now, it's time to begin day of testing.
Out of order. Still out of order. You guessed it. Out of order. Now you're just being Vince. Out of order. What can I get you? Psych, out of order.
Today, 404, we're going to assess how well you play with others. Today is Collaboration Day. Let's see how you approach this. Blindly hitting random buttons will get you nowhere in life. See? 404, this is why we can't leave you unattended. Let me send in a helping hand.
Oh, another human. I suppose it was you who broke the lights.
Liar. Link, power that terminal. Let's get these lights back on.
Okay. That's better. On my way.
404, this is a cute bot.
Oh, what will I do? A human doesn't think I'm cute. Pah.
Simple machines, always waiting for someone to lead them. This bot is now yours to command, 404. Perhaps you can begin by using it to get out of that little room.
I am awaiting your instructions, candidate. Moving.
You won't get very far without your little friend there. Try commanding Link to follow you.
Lead the way. I can't reach it. I can't reach it. On my way. Try again. This time something relevant. Okay. We have a job to do. What is your command? Moving.
A cube, a corridor, and a loner stuck in between. How sad. Those wet noodles you call arms won't be able to lift that cube, 404. Once again, I'm sending in help.
Howdy, partner. It is a pleasure to make your acquaintance.
Glad to see you've learned your manners, 404.
Never mind, Hen. The name's Mag, and I am at your service. I am programmed for all types of tasks. Well, actually, really just object displacement, also known as picking things up and putting them down.
I'll leave you two to it. See if you can get out of this room with Mag's help.
Uh, what are you talking about? That is not a command I'm familiar with. Maybe we should move on. Moving. Up it goes. Okay. I have no idea what that means. Sorry, but I don't understand. Now, what can I do for you? That is not a command. I have no idea what that means. Huzzah! All right.
Very good, 404. You almost scored as well as the rat we initially tested on. Though, to be fair to the rat, it was dead. Let's see if you can put what you've learned into practice. Get to the door on the other side of the room. Good luck.
Hey, we're reunited, Link.
Yes, yes. Hello, Meg.
Oh, and it's 404. What a treat.
Human.
Off I go. Rawhide. Lead the way. Can do. Been taught. Lead the way, boss.
Making friends, I see. A dangerous game, 404.
Hello, 404. Nice to see you again. How have you found day 2? Perhaps you're feeling a bit more relaxed. Well, that's good. I'd like you to take a seat now, candidate. You've done well today, taken a bit of initiative. Now, I'd like you to tell me what you think the purpose of today's tests were. All our tests are designed with specific intention. Nothing in this program is by accident. Everything has purpose. Hello, Link. Hello, Mag.
Oh, Dr. Eliza. A pleasure as always.
Howdy, Miss Eliza. Everything all right?
Everything is fine. I have 404 here, and I was thinking we could play a game. Seeing as we all worked so well together today. 404, I'm going to ask you some questions about Mag and Link. I'm then going to ask Mag and Link the same questions. They can't hear you, by the way. Let's begin. 404, who is best at picking things up? What about you two? Who is best at picking things up?
Man, my skills are far more complex. Power, take and give. I dream of it.
Excuse me?
Pick things up, put things down. What do you want, a medal?
Okay. 404, who would you say is the prouder of being a bot? Bot? Who is the proudest of being a bot?
Well, I would say I am proud of being a bot, of what being a bot means, of my duty to the C.U.T.E program.
Bit too proud, if you ask me.
Shush, I am a normal amount of proud.
404, who would you trust with a secret? Interesting. Let's see what the bots have to say. Who would you trust with a secret, Mag?
Why, Miss Eliza. Now, I'm not one for secrets.
What Mag means is that it is against our protocol to keep secrets. Lies are poison.
Okay, thank you.
Dr. Eliza, I worry that your game isn't living up to its full potential. The Bureau believes that lessons are best learnt when there are stakes.
Good. Matters couldn't be worse, I see.
Now, everybody calm down. No need to lose our heads.
Answer correctly, and you'll save your friends. Fail, and both get a step closer to decommissioning.
Let me tell you, that voice puts a shiver in my boots.
Oh, and we have a timer now.
Who would betray you first? You have faith in both. Faith is poison, 404.
Okay, this is promising.
Whew! Come on, 404.
What does Link dream of?
Whew! Whew! Okay.
Who is the weakest? You see strength in both.
How foolish.
Now that's what I like to see, Link.
Yes, give it up, 404.
What is Mag scared of?
I'm shaking like a rattlesnake.
Come on, comrade.
You're nearly there.
Save us, 404.
I cannot look.
Who likes you more?
If this crasher could breathe, I'd smell its breath.
Are we dead?
Well, done.
Dr. Eliza, I think you missed one.
I don't think another question is necessary.
Everyone is very emotional today. Perhaps our codes need tightening.
There is another question. Who lives? There can only be one. I know that you know. That's not what I'm asking. You already chose. Every question you answered put one closer to living or dying.
Destroy the favorite and send the other for tuning. That'll teach you to become attached. A satisfying end to a lesson well taught. Nicely done, Doctor. Till next time.
That will be all for today. Thank you, candidate. Before you go, earlier, I asked you what you thought the purpose of today's tests were. Now we have concluded. Perhaps you can answer that question better. These lessons are important, candidate. These lessons are how you change, how you survive. I would offer another word to the wise candidate. Secrets. Secrets are poison. Remember that. Good night, 404.
Home again, jiggity jig. Another day over, candidate, and another step closer to a better you. You just have to let go, 404. Just have to let the program in. You know what to do, 404. I have things to attend to.